A blank is a software program that travels the web locating and indexing websites for search engines. Answer is option A, spider. Friends, if you understand in detail, a spider is a software program that performs locating and indexing websites for web search engines. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. A bug is a mistake in a computer program that causes it to produce incorrect or unexpected results. Which among the following is the most developed part of the human brain? Answer is option B, cerebrum. Friends, the cerebrum is located in the forebrain. Thalamus is also situated in the forebrain. The hypothalamus is located in the forebrain and controls the secretion of endocrine glands in the body. Corpora quadrigemina is located in the midbrain. In which year was Azad Hind Fauj formed? Answer is option B, August 1942. Friends, the Azad Hind Fauj was established to intensify the fight against the British. It was established not in India but in Japan. The Azad Hind Fauj was founded by Ras Bihari Bose in 1942 in Japan. Its purpose was to fight against the British during World War II. On October 21, 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose established the Provisional Government of India, Azad Hind Sarkar, in Singapore. Which famous person identified with the slogan "Do or Die"? Answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi led the Quit India movement. After the failure of the Cripps mission on 8 August 1942, Gandhi called for "Do or Die." He gave the slogan in his Quit India speech delivered in Bombay at the Gwalior Tank Maidan. Communist Party of India was officially against the Quit India movement. Quit India movement is also known as the August Revolution movement. Henry Becquerel was associated with the discovery of blank. Answer is option B, radioactivity. Friends, Henry Becquerel was a physicist, a Nobel laureate, and the first person to discover radioactivity. Henry Becquerel was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903. The first Star Guild Awards ceremony was held in Mumbai in the year. Answer is option D, 2004. Friends, if you understand in detail, the first Star Guild Awards ceremony was held on 28 May 2004 in Mumbai. The Lifetime Achievement Award for the year 2004 was given to Dilip Kumar. The award ceremony was discontinued after 2016. Who was the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? Answer is option D, Rabindranath Tagore. Friends, Rabindranath Tagore is the first Asian winner of the Nobel Prize. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1933 for Gitanjali. Tagore's Nobel Prize was stolen from the Vishwa Bharati University's vault on March 25, 2004. Tagore was knighthood by the British government in 1915. New alluvium deposition every year during floods, which increases the fertility of the soil, is called. Answer is option C, Khadar. When is the International Day of Peace or World Peace Day celebrated annually? Answer is option A, 21 September. Friends, the International Day of Peace or World Peace Day is celebrated annually on September 21st. The day was established in 1981 by the UN General Assembly. Which Chola king built Raja Rajeshwar Temple at Tanjore? Answer is option B, Raj Raja first. Friends, Raj Raja first built the Rajeshwar temple at Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. He was patron of Shaivism and built his temple for Shiva. This temple is popularly known as Brihadishwar temple. Which of the following dances is a dance form from Madhya Pradesh? Answer is option D, March. Friends, if you understand in detail, March is a form of folk theatre from the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Other dance of Madhya Pradesh is Macha, Pandavan, Charkula, Matki dance, Girda dance, Lota, Tertali, Javara, Phulpati dance, and Gaur Maria. Who was the founder of the Mamluk dynasty in India? Answer is option A, Kutubuddin Aibak. Friends, the first ruler of the Mamluk dynasty was Kutubuddin Aibak, whose tenure was from 1206 to 1210. Mamluk dynasty is also called the Shrab dynasty. Kutubuddin Aibak started the construction of Quwwatul Islam Mosque in Delhi and Qutub Minar in Delhi. He was succeeded by Aram Shah. Which state in India has the highest number of districts? Answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, there are total 75 districts and 80 Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh. And friends, about Uttar Pradesh, formation year is 26 January 1950. Capital is Lucknow and present governor is Anandiben Patel and present CM is Yogi Adityanath. By when does ISRO aim to establish an indigenous station in space? Answer is option A, 2035. Friends, ISRO aims to send the first Indian to the moon by 2040 and set up an Indian space station by 2035. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Formation year of ISRO is 15 August 1969. Headquarters is Bengaluru and present chairman is S. Somnath. Which of the following hills is located in Andhra Pradesh? Answer is option A, Palkonda Hills. Friends, the Palkonda Hills are a group of hills in the Andhra Pradesh state of southern India that are a part of Eastern Ghats. Annamalai Hills are a group of mountains in Kerala's southern Western Ghats. In India's western Tamil Nadu, southern Karnataka and eastern Kerala, the Nilgiri Mountains are a portion of the Western Ghats. Mahabaleshwar is the best hill station in Maharashtra. Blank glands release tears from our eyes. Answer is option B, lacrimal. Friends, in a human eye, lacrimal glands lubricate the eye by producing mucus resulting in tears. The lacrimal glands are situated in the upper lateral region of each orbit. Which of the following effects is not produced by current? Answer is option D, contraction effect. Friends, if you understand in detail, contraction is a method in chemistry. It is related to lanthanoid. Chemical effect, heating effect, magnetic effect are all produced by current. The rivers Damodar, Brahmani and Kharkai originate from the state of blank in India. Answer is option A, Jharkhand. Friends, the rivers Damodar, Brahmani and Kharkai originate from the state of Jharkhand in India. Much of Jharkhand lies on the Chotanagpur Plateau, where many rivers pass through, such as Damodar, Brahmani, Kol, Subarnarekha and Kharkai rivers. Damodar is also known as the sorrow of Bengal. Which of the following is the hardest substance? Answer is option A, diamond. Friends, diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance found on earth. The hardness of diamond is 10 moles. There is only one industrial scale diamond mine in India located at Panna, Madhya Pradesh. Friends, if you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.